Welcome to this video on Node.js. In this video, we will understand what Node.js is, why it became so popular, and how it works internally. We will go step by step and explain everything in simple terms so even beginners can clearly understand how Node.js works behind the scenes. Node.js plays a major role in modern web development. Today's application need to handle many users at the same time, respond quickly, and scale easily. Node.js was designed especially to solve these challenges, which is why it is widely used in real-world backend systems. Node.js is JavaScript runtime environment. This means it allows JavaScript to run outside the browser. With Node.js, JavaScript can now be used to create servers, APIs, and backend logic instead of being limited to browser interactions. Before Node.js existed, JavaScript could run only inside browsers. It was mainly used for things like validating forms, handling clicks, and basic UI behavior. JavaScript had no access to system resources or servers. Node.js changed the role of JavaScript completely. After Node.js, JavaScript could be used on the server side. This allowed developers to use one language for both front-end and back-end, making development faster and more efficient. Traditional backend servers usually follows a blocking architecture. Each user request is handled by separate threads, and the server waits until the task finishes before moving forward. This approach works, but it does not scale well. As the number of users increases, traditional servers create more and more threads. This consumes a lot of memory and CPU resources. Eventually, performance decreases, response time increases, and servers may even crash. Node.js approach this problem differently. Instead of creating a thread for each request, it uses the non-blocking IO model. This allows the servers to continue handling new requests without waiting for previous tasks to finishes. Node.js runs JavaScript using single main thread. At first, this may sound like a disadvantage, especially when dealing with many users. But in reality, this is one of the key strengths of Node.js. Single threaded does not mean slow. Node.js achieve high performance by avoiding blocking operations. Instead of waiting, slow tasks are handled asynchronously, allowing the main thread to stay free and responsive. Node.js is called a modern JavaScript runtime because it provides an environment to execute JavaScript efficiently on servers. It gives JavaScript access to system resources, networking, and file systems, which makes it suitable for backend development. Asynchronous operations are the foundation of Node.js. Tasks like reading files, calling database, or making network requests do not block the program. Instead, Node.js start the task and move on, handling the result later when it is ready. The event loop is the core mechanism that makes asynchronous executions possible in Node.js. It continuously checks whether the main call stack is empty, then decide which task should be executed next. Completed asynchronous tasks wait in task queues. Node.js manage different queues based on priority. Some tasks like promise, callbacks are executed earlier, while other tasks like timers and the IO callbacks wait their turns. To truly understand Node.js, it helps build a mental model. JavaScript run in one call stack. Slow tasks are handled separately. The event loop check the task and pulls tasks from queues. This cycle continues continuously, making Node.js efficient and predictable. Because of asynchronous execution and the event loop, Node.js can handle high concurrency. This means it can manage thousands of active connections at the same time using a single main thread. Node.js is best suited for applications that needs to handle many users but not heavy computations. Examples include APIs, real-time chat applications, dashboards, notification systems, and streaming services. Node.js is not ideal for CPU-heavy tasks like video processing or complex calculations. This task lock the single thread, main thread, and reduce performance for all users. To summarize, Node.js is fast because of its efficient runtime, event driven because it responds to events asynchronously, and scalable because it avoids blocking operations. These qualities make it powerful for modern backend system. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this explanation helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment with your questions or suggestions for future topics.